It'd have the elbow to come down here like this.
All
They would be
printed
here.
to a beautiful box.
And then it bolts right to here.
Yeah.
Then you have an air filter underneath here. You know, now that's money. That's money, man.
I don't know. Do they even have one?
They don't. You think about that, man. You know what I'm saying? It's like,
So you make all the time building it with your cardboard templates, all that. You scan it with the 3D printer. It prints it out.
you can model it out, man. Well, that printer that I'm looking at prints like a 12 by 12 by 14. So it could print that entire box. It could print that entire thing. You know what I mean?